Nice.
Alright guys, so we are here to talk about, as what the title says, how to make sure your installation is always level, 0% or at least less than 0.1% difference or 0.2% difference. Okay, so before you start drilling and whatever you saw just now, first and foremost you need to measure. Do we measure from the top of the wall? No, because you do not know whether the wall is level or not, unless of course you measure it first. Okay, so there are a couple of methods. The cheapest and the most primitive method is to use a transparent hose with water. So you have a water gauge on both sides. But you might get a little bit off, probably 1 or 2 degrees off. Okay, because water and water pipe, well, surface tension, you know, the signs. Okay, so the next thing that you can do is get something like this, a level gauge. And make sure if it's a big installation like this, you get something that's long. The short one works as well, but the long one will be better. Or if you want to be a bit more accurate, you can get something like this, a digital inclinometer. These are very sensitive. This will ensure you get a 0 degree or at least to the accuracy of 0.05 degree. If you want to be a bit more professional, you can get something like this, a laser guided level. Right, these are from China, these are cheap, these are calibrated. So far all my installation has been perfect with this. The only downside to it is if you're doing it outdoor, it's very hard to see the line. And after you have made the marking and everything, make sure you do not just drill straight, because your drill might go to the side. So make sure you have something like this, a punch hole. So this will make a starter hole at the wall or in the metal or wherever you want to drill. Then this serves as the guide hole, and your hole will definitely always be straight. Okay, so short video, simple video, home DIY, how to make sure you have a professional installation. Make sure it's level. If it's off, then it'll look weird. Just like my light over there is a little bit off, but I can actually adjust it. Okay, so yeah, that's the end of this video. If you like it, hit this. If you dislike it, hit this. But leave us a comment down below on how to improve further. And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload. Till next time, I will see you again.